making Alfredo bake. Now, this is an adaptation because I have a whole bunch of leftovers and just wanted to get them used up. Got my crescent rolls. And if you want to use 2 cans of rolls, you can double this recipe. But what I'm going to do is just use 1 can, because I only have a couple of people, 3 people eating today. Okay, now here is how I made this filling. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. For this recipe, I have half a package of cream cheese that I have softened. Now, the original recipe doesn't call for this, but I'm going to add some diced red pepper just because I want the color. I know that's not originally in Alfredo sauce, but I just thought, ooh, that just sounds like that would be kind of cool. So, I'm gonna dice this up. This is probably 1/8 of a pepper. Okay, and I'm gonna take a half a jar of Alfredo sauce. And I have Italian cheese somewhere, but my refrigerator died and we are playing musical food and I cannot find it. So I pulled this out of the freezer. Yeah, don't do that, guys. Don't, you might cut your hand. You can see how the refrigerator caused all my cheese to go crazy and melt slightly, so now it's all a block, but that's okay. We can adapt and overcome. Okay, so then you take that, get that all stirred. My seasoned salt, which I put in everything. It's in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1. Also on my website, livingonadime.com. Okay, I was waiting for my chicken to get shreddable, but I have a live show on my other channel, so I need to get moving on this. So I'm going to shred it with the knife. Now you can do this in the food processor if you want. Oh, it's almost there. Now, 1 chicken breast for an entire family for 1 meal. I mean, it doesn't get easier than that, does it, guys? What is wrong with this cutting board? It's like, that's weird. It's disturbing me. Now, this is one of those recipes that I would, when I have, when I throw the entire package of chicken in my crock pot or Instant Pot and just cook it all up so it's shreddable, and then I just make all of my recipes out of it, like green chili and barbecue chicken, and chicken and noodle soup, chicken and rice, all those things. This would be one of those recipes that I just throw all that in and get it all cooked at once, and then I don't have to worry about cooking my meat, okay? All right, we're gonna get this thrown in here. Now this is gonna be way more, so actually this is probably enough for 2 packages of crescent rolls, but I don't have that many people here eating today. Well, I don't know, I might actually. I may have 4. I know I have 2 for sure, but, or I mean 3. I don't eat it, but yeah. Okay, so, oh, that looks really good. Okay, so now let me taste and see if it needs any more spices. Oh yeah, is delicious. I'm going to add more salt and little bit of garlic powder. Mike really likes garlic. Oh my goodness, that is so delicious. More salt. World needs more salt, people. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm adding the rest in my what do you call it, my pastry dough here. This dough is just so incredibly easy to work with. Okay, and then I'm not going to use that. I'm going to add a little bit of onion. Extra of that there, and my leftover sauce. And my dough. Okay, now I'm going to put this all in the oven and let it bake at 350. Oops, forgot. And then put some mozzarella on top too. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness, does that not just look so darn tootin' delicious? Oh, yum. All right, now let this cool before we cut it. Okay, now this is, oops, here, hold, I should have.
You don't eat bread with a fork, woman? Or is that bread? It's not bread.
Okay. Let's show what it looks like, because I didn't show what it looks like. Turn around.
It looks like
so we
cheesy
can
bread.
see the inside.
Looks like cheesy bread, but when you look on the other side,
Chicken Alfredo bake.
it's got some glop in the middle. Some probably yummy looking glop.
It's a Tara making up a recipe.
You just came up with this out of your head?
Sort of, yeah.
Wow. This is good. This is really good. Yum.
All right, there's dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Tonight I'm making barbecue chicken. I had this shredded chicken left over, frozen. So I just threw it in the pan with a little bit of water. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce, throw it on some buns with some onions and make some coleslaw, and dinner is ready. There is my main dish. I'm turning off the heat and letting the residual heat finish cooking it or warming it. I got my camera right here, and the timer is at 3 minutes right now. So in less than 5 minutes, I will have dinner all ready. And my mayonnaise. All right, my timer is at 4 minutes and 40 seconds. So that's it. Dinner in 5 minutes. And I didn't have to go out to eat, and it was less than $5. Make do with what you have. I thought I had bread and I didn't, but I have 2 hot dog buns left, so I'm gonna toast these, and our barbecue chicken is gonna go in these for our dinner. I toast my buns in the air fryer when they don't fit in the toaster, and it toasts perfectly. So here we go. And if you want to add some onion, you can. But ow, hot. Moms, make do with what you have when you run out of buns. You ready for it? I just got a plate right there behind you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This will be my after-school snack.
You could do open face if you could do open face if you want, with some onion on top. Yum. Is it delicious? Yay.
This is yummy.
Here. Okay. Testimonial. Yummy. Even if it's a hot dog bun. Is it too weird having it as a hot dog bun?
That's really good, actually.
Yay. Here's my 5-minute dinner for 4 people for less than $5, and I did it without going out to eat. Okay, it's almost showtime. We're hurrying.
It smells so amazing.
Fall has exploded at our house.
I came in the house and I thought, what is that amazing smell? Yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Yours is open-faced.
I see. Is it?
Yes. Just go with it. Not bad for free food, almost. Almost. Leftovers. Hot dog buns nobody would have used. Leftover chicken nobody would have eaten. Cabbage and carrots were new, but...
I don't know what problem people have with leftovers, but
I
they're
don't.
amazing.
I don't either. I am making some green chili. Now normally I do this on the stove top, but today I'm showing you how I do it in the crock pot. Now I have my chicken all pre-cooked here. So this one came out of the freezer, and this is the leftovers of the chicken juice from chicken broth when I cooked all of these up. Cut that down. Now this right here is going to feed my family of 4 or 3 with leftovers. Usually Mike has leftovers. Now I have some of these dried onions and I'm just using them to get rid of, but you can use frozen onions chopped up. You can just chop up your own onion, whatever you want. Then I have green chilies, just a can of green chilies. Now, I usually only do about a half a can because for some reason these green chilies are hotter than they used to be, and I don't know why. So I do about a half a can. Then I just put these in a baggie or a container and freeze them for the next time. Then I have chicken bouillon. Now, I don't use the boxed chicken stock. You can use that if you want, but that is a huge waste of money. So I just get these little bouillon cubes and put these in, or you can get the powder, however you want to do it. And what I do is 1 bouillon cube for each cup of water. Now, normally I don't use peppers, or at least green peppers, in my green chili, but for those of you who don't know, cut your pepper at the bottom, pull it, and see how it comes totally clean, okay? But I have this orange one that I need to, use up, so I'm going to chop a little bit of that in here just because I want to use it up. Then I'm just gonna set this on low and just let it cook all day. It took me less than 5 minutes to get dinner going. So I would say that is certainly worth it. That's probably good. I'm gonna save the rest of these for heats. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna let this simmer. And then just before, about half an hour before, I'll add some cornstarch and water. Oh, I forgot garlic. Cannot forget Mike's garlic. All right, I have about half a cup of water and about a tablespoon of cornstarch right there. And I'm mixing it in my bowl. Then my green chili is getting all done. So I'm gonna stir this and keep it on high. I turned it up on high so it start boiling, and let it boil, I don't know, a few minutes until it thickens. Okay, I got my green chili here. I forgot, I always add a little bit of butter now. It's not in the original recipe, but I do now. And I'm going to add some salt, and that's stirred up. Okay, now let me test. Now, if this doesn't get thick enough, you can put it on the stove and thicken it up in another pan if you want. Yum. Oh, that tastes really good. All right, we're gonna serve this over rice, so I'm gonna leave mine not quite so thick. That is delicious.